Alright guys, back on the road to pick up more parts. So I've been reading, sorry, I was just watching a guy turning his signal on, looking like he was going to come over without looking. I've been looking at power upgrades, and I've realized that, well, naturally, if you give more power, you need more stability. So I was looking at a bigger rear sway bar. But from what I understand, after a little while, the frame of the car, the chassis of the car, deteriorates due to age. And if I add that bar, it can crack part of the chassis that it's mounted to. So I am on my way to pick up some parts to stiffen up the chassis of the car where everything mounts to, so hopefully there isn't any cracking or breaking. So that's what I'm off to do right now. Going back to Eurosport Tuning. Great guys, great company. Thanks a lot, Eurosport. Alright, let's go get it. Okay, so picked it up. Time to get back. But, as you know, I usually do a once around the plaza here. It does not disappoint. Let me show you. That slammed.